This crochet twist ponytail hairstyle took me nothing less than 4 hours to make. Wow. In this video, you will learn how to achieve any ponytail crochet look you want using this method I'm going to teach you. If you are a DIY girly or you are a beginner, you want to achieve a quality protective hairstyle from the comfort of your home, please keep watching. Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Anastasia. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. So this is how I started to achieve this ponytail style where you can pack your crochet hair upwards. You know that baby girl ponytail short hairstyle. This is how you weave the hair. Pay close attention. So guys, I'm going to allow you watch the video because the video is self-explanatory. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification to know anytime I post a new video. Guys, let's watch this video together.
In the morning, I wake up feeling no pain. Long stretches, I get to remember it. Then I see my bed is empty on one side. Back in the sheet, only place I can hide. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it Close the curtain, sweating, shaking all over. Imagine you're here, I'm looking up at the door. I'm a better man with your love than without. Stuck in the cell, may never make it out. In the morning, I'm wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, and only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah, only your love, only your love.
Now we are done with the weaving. I hope you got how I achieved this ponytail. Look at the back, how I did this weaving. So I will go ahead and start crocheting. Also pay close attention on how I crochet the back especially, because that is how you are going to balance your ponytail effect so that it doesn't look rough. So because I wanted a short hair, I'm going to cut this hair into two. And guys, I was even thinking that this hair would be more than enough, but it was barely enough. Like if I didn't use my number 6, I would probably be looking for another extension to complete this hair. But just watch the video and see what happens.
Just a little, take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay? I'm a better man with your love than without. In the cell, I may never make it out. And in the morning,
you guys can see how this ponytail effect is so beautiful. Like, let me know what you think about this ponytail effect. I actually think I invented this. Let me know what you think in the comment. Okay, let's proceed.
wondering how I'm gonna get through the night. I'm sick and weary, only your love's gonna make it right. Yeah. Only your love, only your love.
Now, isn't this gorgeous? Like this? Let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comments, and let me know if you'll be trying it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and let me know the type of videos you would like to see next. Bye.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be, girl?